In this video, we are going to see how LinkFinder AI helps you find direct phone numbers for leads efficiently. Click the first link in this video description to access LinkFinder AI's website. Click Start Free Trial to create a free LinkFinder AI account and begin exploring its features. After account creation, you'll be redirected to LinkFinder AI and granted free credits to use for data enrichment. Click Find LinkedIn Profile URL to start searching for lead information using LinkedIn data. Fill in the lead's first name to begin the search for their contact details. Click the company name field to specify the lead's organization for more accurate results. Click Enrich Data to process the entered information and retrieve lead details. Click the LinkedIn Profile URL provided to view the lead's professional information directly. Click the Data Type dropdown to select the kind of information you want to find, such as company name or email address. Fill the Data Type field to refine your search criteria for better results. Click the Output Type dropdown to choose the format of the returned data, like LinkedIn profile data or phone number. Fill in the output type to specify the desired data format for your search results. Click the field to enter the LinkedIn profile URL of the lead you want to enrich. Fill in the LinkedIn profile URL for your lead to enable precise data retrieval. Click Enrich Data to find the lead's phone number using their LinkedIn profile information. Click here to see the enriched data, including the direct phone number for the lead. Click the Upload CSV Bulk option to process multiple leads at once for phone number enrichment. Click Process 4 items to start enriching phone numbers for the leads in your uploaded CSV file. Click Export to download the CSV file containing the enriched phone numbers for your leads. Click API Access to explore programmatic options for integrating LinkFinder AI into your workflows. Click View API Docs to review detailed instructions for using LinkFinder AI's API. Click B2B Data Lookup to find API endpoints relevant to business data enrichment. Click Lead Full Name to LinkedIn URL to see the API call that converts lead names to LinkedIn URLs. Click the curl command example showing how to use the API with your authorization key to retrieve LinkedIn URLs. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to Phone Sync to find a person's phone number from their LinkedIn profile URL using the API. Click the curl command example demonstrating how to request phone numbers programmatically via the API.